Rec at Home, it's Zetz here. Today for the Rec and Reading program, we're gonna be making some fun blueberry topping to go with a summertime ice cream treat. Today's recipe was inspired by Blueberries for Sal. Alright, now that we made a mess, guys, it's time to assemble our delicious sundae. Y'all ready? Let's take our waffle bowl that we made, scoop our favorite ice cream. I'm using a delicious vanilla bean. It's rock solid, but Then we're gonna go ahead, top it with our homemade magic shell. Let it settle, and then on the side, because we don't want to mess up our delicious magic shell, we're gonna go ahead and put some of our still piping hot, warm, delicious blueberry topping. Because nothing says summer like blueberries. And there you have it. This is what we made for our Blueberries for Sal. All right, guys. Oh, look, listen to that. That was awesome. That's tasty. All right, that's it for now, everybody. Make sure to come back next time for some more Rec and Reading. Stay safe and